As always, when you do a brake service, make sure you check your level. Always, always, always do this. Whenever you have the brakes apart, whether you're doing brakes or not, you have the brakes apart. You only have to do it until you feel it, but you know, put an extra 10 pumps in there for good measure, because that is something you really don't want to do. When you start this thing up and put it in gear, your foot's going to go right to the floor. You're going to hit something. If you get lucky enough, you pump it fast enough or throw it back in park and hear the brrrr, that's always good for the transmission. Or if you pull the handbrake or something, you shouldn't resort to that, because what if that handbrake doesn't work? Just pump them up.